Mm. Hello. Mm. Wait. Do not go. Okay. So, this is me, Rafa Boomer. You can go to my channel. Check out some of my videos. So now we will be making a Lego mechanical bird. This is going to be awesome. And plus, look, it has a new setting now. It's not my little mini office. It has a new setting. Okay. So, here. You'll need this piece. You'll need this piece. Then you attach this blue piece to it that has that. Attach it in there. See, the blue part is the feathers, and then this is just the part, I guess. So then you get, oh no, that's the wrong part. So then you get this part. You get this square part. It can be any color if you want. You attach this part on it, so it'd be like that. And then you get another one of those and put it on there. So it'd be like that. And then so you put the feathers, button, I don't know, feathers, yes. So it's like that. So now you take a mechanical wing, just like this. Yep, and now you attach it on to one of those. Bella, no! So you attach it on to one of those. So it'd be like that. So then you get another one of those wings like that, but the opposite side. Like that. And you attach it onto there. So just like that. Feathers. And now you get, wait, I just got confused. Okay, now you get one of these pieces again. One of these. Attach it onto there. Now you have this. And now you get these gray slopes. It kind of like slides. And another one of these. And then you attach it onto here, both of them, like that. So it'd be pretty cool. So like that. Okay. So now finally touches, you get this wrench piece. It can be black or gray. Black or gray, remember that. Black or gray, black or gray. Instead of black and yellow, black and yellow. And then you get the head, which is like a cone piece, gray or black if you want. And then you attach it onto there. So it'd be like that, see? Mechanical bird. It's a large mechanical bird, so it'd be pretty cool. So, see you guys. There's lighting in the background. They think I'm in heaven. Bye.